Discord has banned WallStreetBets server as well. Now, this one caught the attention of Elon Musk. He said Discord went corpo. Discord says no. This is about hate speech or bad words or whatever, threats.
Yeah.
And I'm like, okay, have you seen the Reddit? That's what's been going on with this group since it started. And that's probably what's been going on with this group on Discord since it started. Mm-hmm. And all of a sudden, with the hottest heat you've ever seen on this group, ever, then you're going to shut them down. Coincidentally, because of the speech, not because of what's going on in the world. You even got Ja Rule talking about it. This is a crime, what Robinhood app is doing. Now. Do not sell, hold the line. So I guess he's invested. Looking to me like Ja Rule got some GameStop, some game stonks. Oh!
I just think of the Dave Chappelle joke. It's just like, what does Ja Rule think at the time?
That's what he thinks.
Oh, man.
Here's the thing, man. Everybody's at home. Everybody's been told, hey, you can't work. We're all chilling at home. Everyone's got all this mental bandwidth. They want to be able to poke the world, Will. They want to participate in something. They want to put their attention towards something, impact something.
Yes.
At a certain point, you're sick of watching Netflix. Certain point, you played all the games, and you're sitting there saying, I could take this $50 or $100 or $200 or $500 or whatever it is that I would have spent over here, and this is going to be more entertaining for me. Mm-hmm. And this is how I want to spend my time. And it's within my right and within my ability to purchase this share in order to have that take place. Mm-hmm. It's a perfect storm. Human beings can't be sitting around. They're gonna find these things. And then as far as the Robinhood goes, and the lack of understanding around how the internet treats the Streisand effect. Oh, you want to take away our button? We want it more.
Yeah. We're not just yelling. We're just shouting at the top of our lungs. It's just louder and louder. Right?
The Streisand effect.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying.
You try to silence something, and people want it more than before. Mm-hmm. That's the idea that all the energy that you pump into trying to shut something down ends up in equivalency or multiplied on the flip side of the individuals who know they have your attention, mm-hmm. who know that what they're doing is working. The internet is wonderful at when it comes to this particular effect.
Yes.
It's fairly well understood.
Outspoken bunch.
Within that group. How does it all end? Nobody knows. I do not know. My biggest curiosity at this point is the threshold for those that exist somewhere inside the psyche of each and every one of these retail investors, each and every one of these individuals with the app on their phone who decided to participate in something that got bigger than I'm pretty sure any of them thought individually it would get. The question is, now, when do they sell? Do they sell? Do they hold the line, as the language has been stating?
As Ja Rule
has reiterated. Do they hold the line? And what is the fallout for Wall Street and the hedge funds? And how big is this thing actually? They've shorted more than 100% of GameStop. Is it even possible, if the line is held, is it even possible for those hedge funds to continue to exist, and the loans they got to pay back, and all the variety of leverages that exist in there?
House of Cards.
And the domino goes one way.
Oh, yeah. They're going to make a movie out of this.
Absolutely. There will be a movie about this. Absolutely. But I'll tell you one thing, man. People are entertained. Yeah. I'll tell you one thing, man. I don't know the last time I saw my Twitter feed like this. Actually, every single person, regardless of what their area of interest is, regardless of their personal expertise, to see everyone at the same time talking on this subject, I don't think I've seen a single person try to defend Robinhood here. To have both political sides on the same page about this, to have this thing end up in front of the president who's been there for 5 minutes.
It's like, what did I get myself into?